Well, we have another question here. Question B says, simplify the following and write your answers in as single fractions. Well, when I look at question 1, for instance, we have like x plus 1 over 3, and then x minus 1 over 3. And then this may be equal something to you. Okay, this is the product that leads to the difference of two squares. Remember that product is given by the form, I'll write the form here, a minus b or a plus b times a minus b. Okay, this is equal to a squared minus b squared. So over here, we don't really need, okay, to times, even though timesing like this will be will give us the right answer, but it's kind of a long process. Instead of doing that, we can just apply the special products here. This will be equal to x squared minus a third to the power of 2. Okay, but now the question says write your answers as a single fraction. So now we can simplify this further. This will be equal to I prefer to write like this. This will be equal to what? X squared minus 1 over 9. Because why am I saying that? The law of exponents says if you have like a over b to the power of m, this is like a to the m over b to the m. Now this power of 2 is for 1 square just 1, and it's also for the denominator 3, and 3 squared is 9. That's why I say 1 over 9. Now to write this as a single fraction, because it's not a single fraction yet, we need to remember that x squared has a denominator which is 1, okay? Invisible denominator 1. Now, the LCM of 1 and 9 is just 9, because 1 gets into 9 times, and 9 gets into itself once. So times here by 9 to make it 9, and then we times the numerator also by 9. Now this will be equal to 9x squared over 9 minus 1 over 9. Now that the denominator are common, they are common like this, we can just combine them. The fractions can be 9 squared minus 1 over 9. That's the answer. Okay, so as the same way we did 1, okay, you're gonna do 4 for practice, because here we also have a product that leads to a difference of 2 squares. Okay, I will leave this one for you to practice. Then let's do question 2 here. Now over here we do have question 2 on right here. Question 2, we do have 2x plus a third y times 3x minus a half y. Now, I don't see any special products here, so we need to expand, okay? We need to expand this. We're gonna do 3 times 2x times 3x, 2x times that, and that times that, and that times that. Now, this will be 2x times 3x makes okay, maybe I should just do it here, makes 6x squared, okay? Because 2 times 3 is 6, and then x times x will make x squared, 6x squared, and then 2x times, so we're gonna have like 2x here is positive, and that's a negative, so positive times negative will make negative, and then it's like 2x times a half y, okay? And then a third y times 3x, so it's gonna be like plus 1 over 3y times 3x, and then we're gonna have a third y times negative a half y, so it's gonna be negative a third y times a half y. Now let's simplify. That makes like 6x squared, and then 2 and 2 here we can be cancelled out, and then this will be like xy plus, and then over here 3 and 3 will cancel also, and then we have like plus xy, and then we will have now minus 1 over 3y times a half y. That makes y squared over 6. Now we can also simplify these two, okay, because of the like terms, and then this makes 6x squared minus y squared over 6. And then to write the answer as a single fraction, understand that over here the denominator is 1. Okay, so we must times here by times this by 6 and times the numerator also by 6. So the answer will be 36x squared over 6 minus y squared over 6. Then we can combine 36x squared minus y squared over 6. That was question 2. And then we can do question 3. Question 3 was x minus 1 over 4 to the power of 2. Okay, you can, because remember it is the form a squared, which is equal to a times e. Okay, you can do like x minus 1 over 4 to the power of times x minus 1 over 4, and then extend this way, x times x times that, equal to times x, equal to times equal, negative equal. You can do that, or you can also apply the special product. Okay, we learned the special product of this is like a minus b raised to the power of 2. This is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, or we can say x plus minus like that. When it's in negative, it's going to be a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So in this case, we're going to work out the negative. It is this form. Now I can just follow that form, and then this will be a squared, because this is now like my a and that like my b, and then the question will be then x squared, okay, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So a is x, b is a quarter plus a quarter squared. Okay, this will be then x squared minus, we can simplify 2 with a quarter here because you left with 2, and then this will be x over 2 plus a 1 over 16. Now we have 2 and 16 and a 1 here to make the common the common denominator. We must times here by 16. Okay, we times here by 16, and then there also by 16. Here we times by 8, there by 8, and then this will be 16x squared over 16 minus 8x over 16 plus 1 over 16. And now one fraction will be 16x squared minus 8x plus 1 over 16. Okay. Or you can also times just might be a little longer than this, but yeah. Question 5. I leave 4. Question 5. Okay, if you look at this question carefully, you can see another special product that leads to a sum of 2 cubes. Let me prove it out. Okay, the question says like x plus 1 over x in the bracket like that, and then open bracket x squared minus 1 plus 1 over x squared in the bracket. Now I'm saying this leads us to the sum of 2 cubes, because the 2 cube product says is a cube minus plus b cubed. This is equal to a plus b, okay, open bracket, a squared minus ab plus b squared. That's the formula we had. So now in this case, we have like the right hand side. We need to prove that we need to simplify that to what is on the left hand side. We have this form, because this is like my a and that is like b. So we have like a plus b, this one, this a plus b here, and then a squared, x squared minus ab. So x times 1 over x makes 1, okay, plus b squared, which is 1 over x raised to the power of 2. So we are allowed to times, someone can times, okay, this, you times there, like that. We can also do this, but it's just longer. We can apply our technique, the technique of special products, okay? We have this, can apply, we know it's gonna be a cubed plus b cubed. So this answer will be x cubed plus 1 over x cubed, okay? And then this can be simplified to x cubed plus 1 over x cubed. Now, because we need one single fraction, we know here the unit is 1. And if I need to make it, I'll times here by x cubed, I'll times here also by x cubed. And then this will be x to the power of 6 over x cubed plus 1 over x to the power of 3. And then this will be x to the power of 6 plus 1 over x to the power of 3. Okay? The same way we did question 3, I'll leave also question 2, question 6 for you to practice. Okay, thank you. Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification button, and share the link. Thank you.